In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can calculate the yield on a Treasury bill using the TBILL yield function in Excel. To do this, you want to do equals TBILL yield, open parentheses. And the first argument is the settlement date, so when the security is traded. In this example, it's March 1st, 2025. The next argument is maturity, so when we're expecting this security to mature. In this example, it is June 1st, 2025. The last argument is the price, which is the price of the Treasury bills in $100 face value increments. So in this example, it is $90.50 in close parentheses. And you can see the yield on a Treasury bill, given these criteria, is 5.96%. But the real value in this function is being able to see how the yield changes with some of these inputs change. So let's just say, for example, we want to see how the yield will change with every single 10-cent increment in price. We can do 10 cents more on the price, and then just keep the settlement rate the same. Just kind of doing this quickly, but to see how it changes all the way up to $1. And you can also do this differently by just locking the function down, but doing this, dragging it to the right just to be on quick and dirty. And as you can see, with the price of $90.50, the yield is 5.86%, all the way down to 0% at $1. And we can graph this if we would like to. Making a quick graph to kind of show values real quick. But as you can see, now we can quickly and easily see how the Treasury bill yield changes with the change in price. I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.